As the Rolling Stones so boldly put it, you can't always get what you want. Sometimes, well, you might just find you get what you need. I know I found that true way more than once in my long career as a photographer and a mentor. You know, you go into that situation, everything's planned out, you know exactly what you want. But want isn't everything, because you may have a rain delay, people may not show up, you may have gear failure, you may have health failure, whatever. Things change, but you get what you need. In the end, we always get what we need. And with this thought process in mind, I wanted to create two environments to teach in, two environments that you could learn in: the mentor course and the personalized intensive workshop. Both of these are designed to be very personal. Both are designed to be very safe for you. Safe in a way of not failing in front of others. Maybe you go to a workshop and you're afraid to maybe ask that question or not know something for fear of the other attendees looking at you. I know I've been there, this guy. So I wanted to make something that was small, intimate. The mentor course is one-on-one. 8 weeks of you and me, you and I, me and you and I, and you. Let's say I before you. It'll be the two of us for 8 weeks. And we are going to go over all your wants, what you want to brush up on, what you want to learn, whatever. And then I'm going to assess that stuff, all your wants, and we're going to do some of that. And then on top of that is where the course comes in. That's the mentor part. Now the course part is what I think you need to be a well-rounded photographer. And that's what we're going to do for 8 weeks. Once a week, we're going to do a Zoom call, Skype call, probably Zoom video. And it's going to be an hour session. And with each session, you are going to be given homework and you're going to work on it. And we are going to elevate your craft to levels that you cannot even imagine. I guarantee within that 8 weeks that you will soar. You will soar higher than you have. You will stick your chest out and be proud of what you do. And possibly you're going to start charging more for what you do. You're going to start having more value in what you do. And you're going to start playing and creating like I do, and like you do, and like you will even more. With the workshop series, the workshops are going to be one-on-one or one-on-three here in my home in Asheville, North Carolina, in my home studio. The one-on-one workshops are going to be 2 days of intensive workshop. Anything you want to learn, plus all the things that I think you should know to be a well-rounded photographer. One-on-three is what it sounds like, me and 3 other people. That one's 3 days. It's the same price. Both of these courses are going to be offered monthly through the year of 2022. So sign up now to get your spot. They are very limited. It's only one a month. Good luck, and I hope to see you soon.